This video I'll be showing you how you add a website or a link to your profile. So if you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So to do that, let's just tap on our profile here. You see the arrow there, just tap on that, and now let's hop on the profile. Good. So the profile is fully loaded here. So what we need to do is we just scroll to the bottom here and you see edit public details. Just tap on that there. On this side, we just scroll to the bottom there. Good. And you can see links there. Let's just tap on the links there. And then you can see link on your profile. So you can add a new link by tapping on this. Now you can choose any of them, whether it's Twitch, any of them. You can scroll to the bottom. You can add a lot of links to your Facebook. If it's not from any of them, you can choose websites and you add any sort of link, whether it's a referral link, like an affiliate link or something. Just choose websites and then you add the address, www. You can see, and you tap on the save after that, and then you add the website or the social media site on your Facebook profile. Very simple and easy. If you are new here, give me a like and then you subscribe to my channel. Peace.